Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all been wondering where I have been. I will get to that a little later throughout the video, but today I'm going to show you how I do a up down crimped ponytail glueless. And she's natural, as you can see, on natural hair. So I'm just blowing her out, and then I'm going to proceed to parting her off into sections for the up down look. Now I'm going to do a U-shaped parting to section her hair off, and I'm going to tie away the top, and we're going to start with the sides and braiding down the back. Okay, so I know you guys been wondering where I have been. I know I posted like I will be back in a week, but the week turned into 2 weeks real fast. I had to move out of one salon into another salon kind of unexpectedly. Or rather not, because my son had to be online for 9 weeks, so I had to leave, and I ended up finding another salon to work in. It just kind of popped up along the way of me being off, and it was a little bit more flexible with what I needed, and I was able to bring him to work. I wasn't able to do that at the other salon, so that's that on that. It's just been a lot going on with the corona stuff, so back on track now. I'm back in a new salon, so I'm very excited about it, and I'll be back posting more regularly then. I cannot say that word, more regularly. On the regular, okay? And so now I'm just braiding down her leave out. I don't know if you was watching with the comb when I like placed the tail of the comb under where I did the leave out. I did that because if you can see the comb when you place the hair over it, then that means you need a little bit more leave out, and if you don't leave out more, then the tracks will show when you flat iron it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and braid down her hair. I sped this up because I know y'all didn't want to probably watch me braid down her hair for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to go through and oil her scalp with this Glueless peppermint oil. It feels so good to the scalp, and my clients love it because it gives a little tingle and it hydrates their scalp, and through the duration of their sew-ins or quick weaves, their hair don't itch as much. Now I'm going to take this I forgot what this thing is called, but I want to take this thing and pull her hair through the braid to kind of seal it off. I want to take this stretch weaving net and want to apply it to the back of her hair. In the package, they put 2 of these nets in. I absolutely love, love, love these nets. Every time I catch them at the beauty supply, I'll take all of them off the rack because they are kind of hard to find, the ones that stretch. And I just like it because it covers the head, and I don't have to worry about the stiff net trying to get it to like mold to the client's head to where I can sew it down without it having all the little lumps and humps and having to cut and sew in different areas. I can just sew around the perimeter and I'm done. So this is what it looks like once I am done sewing it down and I cut off the extra net. So today I'm going to be using hair from my hairline. This is my Vietnamese straight. I'm going to be using 320 inches on her. This hair is so soft. Great for a bone straight sleek look, and or for crimps if you should choose. So I'm just going to go ahead and begin sewing this in throughout the back of her hair. I'm going to start from ear to ear, and I'm not going to cut the wefts. I'm going to do the zigzag back and forth and sew that way. If you would like to purchase this hair, you can do so at hairbymika.com. You just select shop HBM collection. I'll leave that and the details down below in the description box. Oh, you guys, I forgot, like, it's been so much going on. Like, I'm over 100K now, but I was so excited when I hit 100K. I just want to say thank you for each and every one of you who supports this channel, who watches faithfully. Like, I wanted to do a giveaway, but I didn't have time to actually sit down and figure out how to do a good giveaway, because I just felt like I need to give away. I'm definitely still going to do it. Probably be a little later. I wanted to do it right when I hit 100K, but like I said, it's been just a lot going on. But I'm definitely going to do a giveaway of hair, a flat iron, the flat iron that I love to use, my tool science, and I think like 3 t-shirts. So once I figure out how to do that, I will upload a video stating that I'm doing it and how you can enter in to the drawing to get those items. So I hope I see my day ones up in there, because y'all know y'all been rocking with me. Where my day ones at, drop a 1 down in the comment box so I can see, so I can automatically put y'all in there. So now I done finished sewing down the back of her hair. Now I'm just going to take my flat iron and I'm going to straighten her hair out so it can blend with the hair. Now I'm going to take my olive oil heat protecting spray and I'm going to spray it all over the top of her hair, because I am going to flat iron it so that I can make her ponytail as flat as possible. I'm going to take my even 24-hour edge tamer and I'm going to do her edges to lay it down and mold her little baby hair. just going to take some Got to Be Free spray and spray over the top to lock her hair in place, because again, she is natural, so by the time anytime any kind of humidity hit it, it won't curl up. It's some pretty strong spray. And I'm just going to take my blow dryer and dry it and slick it up even more to lock it into place. Now I'm going to take a head wrap and just wrap it around her head so that her baby hairs and her hair that's in the ponytail will stay down. So basically for her edges, we want to keep those nice and laid. I'm going to braid her ponytail down and twist it up into one little knotted ball. And then I'm going to proceed to sew in the hair on the top of her head. I'm sorry, on the top of her ball, because I'm not going to use any bobby pins or any glue, because she is wearing bundles and I want her to be able to wear her bundles again after this hairstyle. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to pull out a little section of hair and I'm going to create her band. This looks cute straight, if you ask me. Look how silky that hair is, and it blended so nicely with her own hair. So I'm just going to put that top ponytail out of my way, and we're going to proceed to crimping her hair. Now I am using the Marcel crimps. I will not be using the electric crimps. I'm more of a Marcel girl myself. So I'm going to take some Sebastian hairspray and just spray it all over her hair. No spritz, nothing else that's going to be extremely hard, because I want her to be able to use her hair again, like I said. Even though I use the stove crimps, I made sure to, you have to, if you are going to use these this type of crimp iron, you have to let it cool down enough. So if you have to get you a test strand to test to make sure that you don't burn your client's hair out, please do so. But I feel like Marcel's give the best crimps, and I used to use this crimp iron when I was young. I'm telling y'all, they done brought these crimps back. This is how I got on. This is how I made a name for myself, starting with crimps, swoops, knots, and spikes. Y'all know the whole nine. So this ain't nothing new to me, baby. I ain't new to this. I'm true to this. So I'm just going to go ahead and crimp the rest of her hair and enjoy the little crimp session. I'll be back. Oh my God, look at those crimps. Y'all ain't seen no crimps more perfect than this. I'm sorry, hands down. I won. I'm giving it to myself. But this hairstyle is everything. She actually saw this hairstyle on Pinterest, sorry, and we decided to do it. She started back school on last Monday. So of course I had to send my girl off right, Miss Mariah. So yes, look at that. Oh, this is really taking me back. Like, I'm having deja vu. Whoop, Miss Cutie Patootie. We are all done. I'm going to take me some hairspray and I'm going to just spray it on her hair to add a little shine to it. But this is the final look. Look at that. Whole lot of body, whole lot of body. Give us a shake, Mariah. Yes, so if you guys like this video, please give me a like. Comment down below what you think. And thanks again for watching. I'm so happy to be back on. And I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to, again, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload. See you guys later.